This isn't a remodel. This is one full-on transformation. Yep, the Hard Rock is coming to the Strip in a major way. What does that mean for Las Vegas? We're gonna break it down in this video. The Mirage, opened back in 1989, built by none other than Steve Wynn. At the time, it was the most expensive resort ever built in Vegas. Over $600 million. For decades, the Mirage was the spot. From Siegfried and Roy's wild animal magic shows to the Beatles' Love by Cirque du Soleil. And of course, the volcano out front that actually erupted. In 2022, MGM Resorts sold the Mirage to Hard Rock International for over $1 billion. That's when things started to shift. Hard Rock plans to completely reinvent the property, including building a massive guitar-shaped hotel tower right on the Las Vegas Strip. So, what can we expect with the new Hard Rock Hotel in Las Vegas? First off, the volcano will be removed, replaced by the guitar tower. That's a big hit for a lot of Vegas lovers. Inside, everything is going to be redesigned. A brand new casino floor, modernized hotel rooms, new restaurants and nightlife. It's going to be a Hard Rock style entertainment venue. The resort was closed in July of 2024. Plans on reopening sometime in 2027. Reaction to the Mirage closing have been mixed. A lot of longtime visitors are sad to see the volcano go. For many, it was a childhood memory. Something free, fun, and uniquely Vegas. Others are excited. The old Hard Rock Hotel off-strip was a party icon back in the day. And a new version on the Strip sounds promising. Some locals feel like the Strip is losing its character, becoming more about corporations and less about classic Vegas charm. But one thing everyone agrees on, Vegas is always changing. The Mirage helped redefine Las Vegas when it opened, and now it's time for another reinvention. Whether you're hyped for the Hard Rock or heartbroken about the volcano, this transition marks a big moment in Vegas history. What do you think about the Mirage turning into the Hard Rock? Are you excited? Bummed? A little both? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you've ever watched the volcano erupt. And don't forget to subscribe for more Vegas updates. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Yeah, kind of sad to see it go.
Right?
I'm also excited for the big
Guitar.
guitar.
It's gonna be so cool.
Yeah.